What is up, everyone? Thank you so much for checking out this video. So today I wanted to review a canvas that was sent to me by Iconic Canvas, and they reached out to me to review this, and it's my own photo and stuff, so I thought I would unbox it and review it for you guys. So this is 12 by 24. It's a 3-piece layout, so it's a one full photo, but it's 3 different pieces to make the one photo. And I have always wanted to get one, and so I'm very happy that they reached out to me. And it would be about $100, I believe their website was $140 or so to purchase that, which, I mean, that's an incredible price for a 3-piece canvas. So as you can see, they do an incredible job with packaging. I mean, that's some top-notch packaging right there. Finally got that done, and again, it's a 3-piece canvas. So there's piece number 1. I believe this should be the middle piece, and then the last piece. I'll try to get this in frame a little bit. So there you go. And overall, just looking at it, I mean, the colors are absolutely perfect. These are exactly how I edited it, and looks exactly like how I did on the computer. And beautiful wooden frame around it with some cardboard, I guess it would be, instead of just having the canvas by itself. So this is nice and sturdy, feels really nice, and everything lines up just perfectly. And yeah, this thing is great. We'll check the other ones. Yeah, perfect. And nice hanging right there, nice hanging anchors. I will be hanging this, and then I will show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so here is the finished product hung up on my bedroom wall. It was super easy. The hangers really make it easy to hang it, which is nice. And it looks absolutely great. Let me get a few close-ups here. Spread them about an inch apart. That's usually the look that you go for the 3-piece canvas, and yeah, I think it looks great. And if you guys want 25% off, use the code HELLER at checkout, my last name, and that'll be in the description. And hopefully you guys check these guys out. These guys are really great and some great product. So thank you again, Iconic Canvas, and I'll see you guys in my next video.